ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ.
Stages started to become rougher, but the car is now holding up, so the car is behaving well.
It happens when you have, especially have a rally as tough as this. This has been probably one of the most challenging rallies that we've done so far this year. But we've got a lot of things in mind, and let's see how it goes.
Rowan power. Rowan power. No dude, this is Rowan.
The last few kilometers in the last stage, I felt the car was going left to right, so something was loose. And then when we finished the stage, we came out and we tried to check and see what was wrong. But we couldn't find the fault. So we decided to drive slowly.
The first two stages were become very rough, so we all had drove very carefully and came till this point. Very unfortunate that Karam's car broke down.
So the update for the final day of the rally is unfortunately not so good for a car that was leading. We had a problem with the suspension, and then we had to stop. As a manufacturer, to see our car beating all the competition and proving again that Polo is the best car to have.
And Lokesh Gowda, competition number 38. Runner-up, Dhruva Rupesh P, competition number 33, and the winner Rohan Pawar and Arjun. Request Sharing to come near the park hall. Request Sharing. And I request competition number 4. I request the overall tuner, Michael and Rajan. Michael and Rajan.
So overall, very happy with the way season has progressed, and looking forward to the 2014 season. Hopefully, Team Slideways Industries will be bigger, better, and with our partners Volkswagen Motorsport and JK Tyre, will do a much better job in the next season.
We had a good run. Luckily, we had no problems with the car. The car was prepared very, very well, and the coordination between myself and my navigator Satish was also very good, and we were able to finish first. So I would like to thank Volkswagen for all the support they've given throughout the year, and also MRF for the support they've given for the tyres.